Okay guys, welcome in the stream for those who are watching the rediffusion. So let me share as usual everything on X and in the Discord so everyone can join the stream. Did it launch? Okay, there we go, nice. Up. Let me share everything on X. So far we just closed the short for the long we had, okay? We longed around 107k 700 and my target one was 110ks and my target two was 112ks. I decided to fully close, okay? It was at the beginning half of TP here, but I fully closed it because we just had CPI and I don't know, it's Friday. I prefer to take this chill. We made great profits this week, okay? Barely any loss. We made one loss of 0.5 risk, 0.5%. That was a short we took here with stop loss here. So like the invalidation was like 0.5%. Very easy one. And then we caught the short here, if you guys remember. We will explain this all together, but for now, let me share the stream here. Up. Oh, and by the way, I did a mistake. Fuck trading, go blackjack now. Can we go? I don't even know if we can go. I don't even know if we can do casino on YouTube. Will I be banned or no? Let's ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT always know any answer. So let's ask him. Can I stream on YouTube and do blackjack on Rollbit, or will I get banned? Let's see. But because it could be nice to do some casino sometimes. It's risky, you need to be very careful. Okay. Streaming you play, we are promoting, you may be okay. Yeah, okay, make sure, must comply with friends and YouTube policies. Include logo of the bar. Okay, yeah. Well, I won't promote it, I'm just playing for myself. Stream yourself playing, whether big risk. Okay. Okay, well, let's see if we do it or no. By the way, how is the market looking? We took this internal liquidity here. We have a lot of liquidity sitting right there. Regarding the footprints, we had this crazy buyers trapped here, okay, at 112k. This is why I closed my long today, okay. These motherfuckers got trapped here, and the price wasn't able to break through that level with such a volume, with such a buy volume. So that was bearish as fuck, and so that's why we closed it. I didn't want it to short, so I just played along. By the way, guys, if you guys want to see the current challenge, so we are up nicely in the challenge, okay. We are up we're at 11k. Okay, you can see here that I made some good profits. So we are 11k on the trading account on Lbank. So far so good. We are up 10% in the 10k to 100k challenge. The goal is to make a 10x. We're up 10%. We are far away, but we won't rush anything. So now let's see if we can get a trade today. So yeah. Hey Yachek, how are you? Hey Daily Masculine. Good morning Only Conning. Good morning Uruguay. Hey Robin Hood. On Twitch or Kick you can. Oh, okay. But I prefer to do streaming on YouTube, honestly, because I can grow my YouTube channel also. I don't want to diversify it. Hey, it's Guy. Looking to short, Bossman. I wanted to short, but I didn't got the trigger. Do you trade gold? No, I invest in gold. I invest in gold long term like S&P, but I don't really trade them. I do swing them, but only swing longs. Like I buy spot position and I close them, etc. Hey Peso. Hey Siva, how are you? Hey Martin. Hey Cons. Hello SKS. Oh hell mystery. But for example, on Lbank you can trade gold. That's very cool. This is PAXG USDT. That's the name of the ticker, and you can trade it. That's pretty good. You can trade it with up to 50x leverage. So that's fucking good. By the way, guys, there is a new event with Lbank. Remember that if you guys want to win the $100 USDT, you need to have an Lbank account because the money will be sent in your Lbank account. And right now, for all the people that use my link, so even if you use my link in the previous event, you will still be eligible for this one. And if you don't have an account, you can create one. You have again 20% deposit bonus. So if you deposit 10k, you can get 2k. Okay, that's up to 2k in future reward bonus. But the most important is that you can get gifts. If you make 3 million volume, you get AirPod Pros. 5 million, you get a Switch. 9 million, you get an iPhone 17. 12 million, you get a MacBook Air, okay? And 100 million, you get Rolex Submariner. You can get a Rolex. And more, you can get even better. I'm trying to see if we can get like a huge Rolex or an AP. So yeah, what you have to do is just trading. So if you do good volume on any exchange, just use that one and you will be able to win a fucking Rolex with Lbank. So that's pretty good. So yeah, basically, you guys can still register on the link. You have all the instruction. It's easy and you guys can win all this. Personally, I will create an account, another account, and I will farm the Rolex because that can be funny. I already have this one, the GMT. I have like 2 GMTs and 1 Submariner, but like the green one. I don't have the black one. So let's get the black one with Lbank. So yeah, so that's a fun event for you guys. Also, you guys can see here, we also had long traps here on the pump, okay, on Bybit. Long strap on Bybit here, not at 112k, but 111,800, while on Binance Futures at 112k, someone went with fat fingers, 55 millions, and got trapped. Okay, basically that motherfucker bought the top. So that was a great one. And again, that's the power of using order flow, guys. Hey Crypto Minutron, how are you, brother? You close your long or your short? Sorry, I closed my long. My short, I'm still in. So basically, I have this short running. Oh, why do I don't have the charts? Basically, my short is this, guys. Sorry. Shorted here, stops above these highs, and the target is this liquidity. My bad. That's my swing short on BTC that I still have. And personally, I think we can even target a bit lower, maybe like the 365 days rolling VWAP. Okay, that will be a nice one. So let's see what we get. But for now, this still looks weak. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember what we said, but whenever we retest the 200 EMA, okay, we have chop, okay, under the daily trend. That's what we had here also. Retest 200 EMA and we have chop under the daily trend. Okay, same here. If we go back in history, 200 EMA and chop under the daily trend before exploding. So this might be what we get here, okay? You guys can see here. Retest of the 200 daily trend, chop under the daily trend, and then higher, okay? I would love this to be taken. Maybe this one, but we maybe don't take it. So for me, the level where I'm wanting to bid is this level, and my invalidation will be here. Okay, so basically, well, let's make it cleaner because it's horrible. Sorry, up, little box. Okay, so personally, I'm wanting to buy here. Okay, target highs, invalidation here. Great risk reward, love it. That will be my setup if we can have it, guys. You tweeted you close your short when it's really the long. Yeah, my bad. I made a mistake when I was tweeting. Sorry, but yeah, I closed the short. I closed the long. I closed the long. Sorry. So yeah, basically I closed this, but I'm still in this. Okay, to fix it. So yeah, sorry, I got some messages. Bro, you should change the description in Discord that you close your shorts. Brother, I like, look here. Fully close my bid till long. Close the long here. Same here. Like I posted that I closed the long, brother. So like it cannot be clearer. Even on Diego calls, fully close my long here. You guys can see I have my signal here. Closed it. Okay, yeah, okay, here. Well, there you go. Okay, so now let's see what we get. I would be surprised if we do bounce, honestly. Let's see. CVD futures decreasing as fuck, while spot is kind of holding. Okay, we can see that here we've got shorts wrecked, while here we've got longs wrecked. Yeah, lots of position opening here. They're getting wrecked here. So let's see how it goes. For now, I don't have any trigger regarding the weekly VWAP. We are retesting it very soon. Okay, we have some bids here. Maybe we can have a retest, could be nice. If we do have a nice retest with some more shorts chasing the price, will be interesting. Let's see here on the weekly. Yeah, we don't have any interesting level. Well, we have this POC here, current POC here. But yeah, not a lot of interesting level. While here we have a great conference POC and the weekly VWAP might be a nice one for a long. That could be a nice one for a long. So let's see if we can play it actually. That might be a great one. Yeah. Let's see. Weekly VWAP here. Okay. Yeah, we do have the weekly VWAP here and a rolling VWAP. Where is it? Where are the rolling VWAPs? We have the 7 days rolling VWAP here also. So yeah, that could be interesting. That could be interesting. Let's see how it goes. Let me remove all this shit. Okay, let's reduce the noise. That could be an interesting level actually. Previous day POC here. Okay, this confluence level could be very, very interesting for a long. Okay, we are actually taking this week. Let's see how it is. We'll love to be filled. Okay, some shit like that. Okay, will be great. For me, lose this, and yeah, this looks bad. But that's the pivot for now, okay? Previous day POC, pretty good. We're already bouncing, fuck. Maybe we just bounce without us. But honestly, that could be a great setup, okay? That could be a great setup. Even 2 risk reward like that, simple. Stops under this. Don't play it too risky. 2 risk reward. You can even get better if we do retest the full 7 days, but for me this level is already pretty good. So that could be a nice setup. Let's see if we get it. Will be pretty nice. Let me put a trading view alarm here. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. What do you guys think of this? Background of the stream is too big, man. What do you mean? What do you mean, the background? You want the chart bigger? Well, we can fix that. I think we can fix that to put the chart bigger. But yeah, but it's better to have the charts, some informations, the camera, and not like, because if you guys want, I can do it like that. I don't know if it will change. I can do it like that, okay? But I mean, it's better to have like, for me, it's better to have the overlay, etc. It's as you want. If you guys prefer this, we can do this. But like, for example, if I go here, you guys don't see the heat map here. You guys don't see the informations here. So it's not the best. Okay. Let's have some more shorts chasing. That could actually be a great setup. He means the overlay. Yeah. Yeah, well, basically the overlay is too big, so the chart is too small. But yeah, we have to, maybe I have to do it. Or maybe the camera, I just like cut it in half. And I just put myself like here. And so we remove that. See? Like this. More like this. Up. More like this. We cut it here. Here. Up. And all these parts, we like put the charts. Well, we can work on that. Oh, okay. We do have some dump here. Let's see if we can have a bid. So basically, let's prepare it. We are up currently in the challenge, guys. We are up 1k. How much do we risk in this? Do we risk all the profits? Or do we keep risking 250? I think we can risk all the profits, honestly, on this. 2 risk reward. So that will be like a 1k risk. I'm fine with it. And so that's 0.4. Yeah, 0.4. Okay, so 0.465 in limit, because I don't want to pay too much. 0.475. And so that will be oh, that's soon. Yeah, that's like 109k 500. Yeah, let's put 400. That will be here. That will be a great setup. So let's see if we can have it. What do you guys think of this? Weekly view up, very important level. We do have some more shorts chasing here. Interesting. Oh, my mag is making so much noise, guys. Sorry. I don't know if you guys hear it, but that's quite a lot. What do you put your stop loss? Bro, it's your stream, you're giving away free alpha and people are still bitching. Yeah, no, honestly, there's no bitching, guys. I take all advice, honestly. I take all advice. Okay, yeah, that's still a bit early. I would love to get the entry run here. So that's what I would love to get. Retest of the weekly VWAP. That could be nice. That could be nice. Let's see. Let's put the order here, okay? Let's anticipate. Okay? So let's say that we have our first order here, okay? And let's play it like that. It's fine. It's fine to me. So yeah, I use the long. I will be ready to add maybe if we have this, okay? But for me, that's what I'm expecting here. We can even put the target higher to make it to risk reward. That could even go to 115Ks actually. So yeah, like it's all right. So let's put it here, okay? I took the long. Let me show it on X. We are already up $88. So let's see. That will be a great entry, huh? Let's see. Well, I doubt that was the bottom, but honestly, guys, we had what we wanted to see, okay? Bunch of shorts chasing the price here. Retest of the weekly VWAP. We have a bunch of bids under the price, okay? So that could be a nice one. Honestly, we have pretty good confluences here. That's a setup I'm taking, okay? And I'm risking the profits of yesterday's trade. On my personal account, that's like a setup where I risk 2%. So yeah. Retest of the weekly VWAP, around 7 days running VWAP, 2 confluences. Previous day POC. We have this support right here, okay? What do we have more? We also have, well, the weekly VWAP here. We have shorts chasing. We have here also a lot of bids under the price. And we, more importantly, have the shorts chasing. So there's a bunch of confluences. Let's see. I'm also sharing this setup here to the VIP Discord. Long BTC, TP1 113K, TP2 115 no 14K 50, and sorry, this one is 112K up, and SL manual around 107K if this is weak up. I will update, sorry. So yeah, posted it here, and now let me post it also on X. Okay, long BTC with the stream. John is here. Sorry. By the way, guys, today we are again giving away $100, okay? So in order to get to win it, you have to subscribe, you have to like the stream, and the winner will be one of the people that commented the stream. So make sure to do all that, and you will be eligible for the stream. So by the way, let's also put basically the trade from yesterday, from the other day. So that was, well, let's put it here. I longed here, but we can say that it's here because visually it's better. We basically closed it at 112K, okay, and for a 2 risk reward trade. So that was a stop loss right here. That was a great one. Also here, put in the background, and this, put it here. So that was basically the trade. So now we closed the short at a good price, and now we went long, so that's pretty good. Up, closed my long from 107K before the rejection, and now playing a bounce here. So let's see if we can get it. That could be actually fucking great. If we again have the right idea, guys, I don't know what to say. So let's not jinx it. For now, there's nothing. We just had a little bounce. So let's see. And again, guys, I think you guys appreciate the fact that most of the trader, they just either post charts on X like this, okay, with drawings, or they will post setups like that, but they never show you when they trade in live, okay, with real-time execution and explanation. That's what we try to do here. I want to be like the most transparent trader in this space. So let's have it. I hope you guys really appreciate that. So yeah, now let's see if we can bounce. Honestly, that's a good setup. If we have a lot of confluence, this doesn't mean that we necessarily need to be right, okay? Sometimes the market is just going in another way and you are just wrong, but that's why you have risk management. And when you enter, you have a setup with your take profits, your TP1, TP2, TP3 levels, and you have also your invalidation, and you know how much you want to risk. For example, here you can see my risk is 1k, okay, and I know that if my stop loss goes here, my risk has to be 0.43 BTC, and that's what I did, okay? So simple like that. That's how trading works. I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, yo Axolo, how are you? I have the same shot, but I keep it. We go to 100k. Nice. At this point, Jigito charts better than Mbappe. Guys. By the way, there's the Clasico. Barcelona, there's Barcelona, Real Madrid. For actually, Real Madrid is at the Bernabeu. Real Madrid, Barcelona this Sunday. Going to be nice. Who you guys are rooting for? Who do you guys think? I think Real Madrid this year, they're pretty good. And honestly, Mbappe, I feel like he wants this Ballon d'Or. Like, he's on a crazy run. Also, guys, I'm not a fan of Bayern at all. I'm not looking at their games, but I'm watching all the highlights from Harry Kane. What a year he's having, guys. What a year. I don't know if you guys watch football or soccer for the Americans, but it's the best sport in the world again. So yeah. 1,300 critical time. What do you mean, brother? Madrid gonna cook. Yeah, I think Madrid, they're good. Madrid are good. Okay, nice bounce so far. Let's see. You guys can see here that on the monthly, we are really at a very important level. Why? We have here the POC here of September TPO, and we have the POC of current October TPO from 111k 600 to 111k 200. So that's just here. We rejected here, not able to close it. Big week, rejection, not able to close above. Here we retested, not able to close above. So this is the real resistance, okay? That's the real resistance, and the next one will be those levels here, around 114k 500 to 115k 600. So in my opinion, if we do claim that level, we can go here, but that's what we need to flip. Because if we flip this, I think we just pump like crazy. So yeah, let's see how it is. It's kind of longing at resistance here because we still are under important level. For example, here, if I can show you guys the TPO, yeah, it's the weekly TPO. We still are in the value of previous weekly. Okay, you can see value area low, value area high. Again, what is value area high and value area low? Basically, that's 70% of the value of the TPO. So basically, the TPO, what is TPO? Is the market profile, and it's time, price, opportunity. It's a volume profile, but instead of being based on the volume, it's based on the time. And so what does mean value area high, value area low? These are the limit ranges, okay, range high and range low of the 70% value area of the TPO. So basically, that's where 70% of the price spend its time, okay? So that's this area. So this other area, we don't really care. We focus on the value, and we can see that the value is capping at 112k, and this is where we reject it, because for now the price is staying in the value, but we are kind of having a compression between the value area high of last week and also the 7 days rolling VWAP and the weekly VWAP that if I add it here, we just retested it. You guys can see that's the next blue line that will appear. Can you pop up? Can you pop? Okay, it doesn't want to pop, but basically you guys can see it's this level. Okay, it's where we long. So that's the level, and we are kind of having a compression even in the Monday high, in the Monday range. So if we do flip that, we can go, I think, for those poor highs at the 90 days and 30 days rolling VWAP, and this poor high are 115k 700, which is in confluence with here the POC 115k 700s. So let's see if we can have it. For now, the price is trying to bounce. We are still around entry. Yeah, price is still around entry. So let's see if this setup can play out. But yeah, what you want to see is the weekly VWAP to hold, okay? For now, looks kind of heavy. Look, we bounce and they put like 115 and 64. They put 200 million asks above the price. So maybe they are kind of aggressive here. Let's see here on the profile how is this looking. But yeah, looks like these motherfuckers are a bit aggressive, huh? Oh yeah, look at the asks here, 4 million. 4 million. We had the spot CBD in red, so that was kind of bearish. But yeah, we still have 4 million asks. Honestly, that's not an A setup anymore, because like I told you guys, we rejected from important levels, okay? These September and October POCs, okay? We are rejecting here. We do have shorts entering, so that's what makes me want a long, and we are the weekly VWAP, and we are also at previous day POC. So these are significant levels. The only problem is that we have a lot of asks about the price, so that's not an A plus setup, so I won't go 2-3% risk on that one. I'm just going 1% in my personal account, and in the challenge account, as it's a challenge account, I'm risking all the profits. So we are up, but we are currently at 111k 200, so I'm risking 1k. That's it, because we want to compound the profits. But if you trade on your personal account and it's not a challenge, go with classic risk. Are this long? We are long, brother. What tool do you exactly use for volume profile, brother? I don't trade volume profile. I trade TPO. So I use the TPO in TradingView. Real, of course, no Messi, no party. Yeah, but actually Barcelona, they're pretty good since last year. Barcelona always, even though we get cooked every year. Well, actually last year we cooked Madrid. Personally, I'm for Barcelona. Last year, Barcelona cooked Madrid, guys. Like every fucking games, they were cooked. That was really good to see, because it's been years that we've been cooked by them. So that was nice. Do you think BTC is cooked and won't put in a new all-time high? S&P and QQQ ripping to new all-time highs, Bitcoin doing nothing. Well, basically, that's also something interesting, because I was talking yesterday with a friend working in M&A, okay, like merger acquisition, investment banker, and basically he was saying that a lot of clients were also buying a lot of gold. Why? Rich clients, because the uncertainty right now, geopolitical, economical, is horrible. Even more in France, because the government is shit. But in the world, there is a lot of war. There is a lot of uncertainty with Trump and his tariffs. And Russia-Ukraine is a big deal, okay? Lots of people saying that Israel-Palestine is more important than Ukraine and Russia. But at least in France, they only talk about that. That's not the case. Like, what's happening in the Middle East is horrible, that's for sure. But the main deal, the main concern here is really USA, China, Russia, Ukraine. Like, that's like the world is relying on this economy. So like, that's what is the most important for us as investors, and also as a human being in the world, because you don't want to have inflation when you buy shit, okay? So that's important. Yamal is finished. Nah, bro. Yamal is good. It's still good. Hey, Eifner, how are you? ¿Cómo estás, amigo? Diego, you think the monthly VWAP Val is a better option for batting below all those low? What do you mean monthly? Where is the monthly VWAP? Where is the monthly VWAP? Can I put it here? But the monthly VWAP, bro, the 30 days VWAP is here. Is higher. No. Personally, I'm using rolling VWAPs. I'm using rolling VWAPs, and the only not rolling VWAPs that I use are the daily and the weekly VWAP. But for the monthly, I prefer to use the 30 days. So yeah, I'm a generational boss of fan lord. Yes, same brother. How are you, Crypto Minute Run? You guys know that Crypto Minute Run, I met him when I was like fucking 18 years old in Canada, my first crypto conference. That was like 5 or 4 years ago. That was funny. Remember, been long time, brother. I only saw him one time. That was here. So that's cool. Thanks for the support again, brother. That's very cool. Do you think I close my short from 112k? Not necessarily. You can have your stops entry, because if we do go like, no need to close it here, or you can either edge long, so open a smaller long than your shorts if you still have the bias of the long. Again, guys, it's not because I take a long or I take a short that you guys have to take a long or a short, and that's why I'm also here to give a lot of value. Like, I don't want you guys to be bots, to follow anyone, me or any other trader that gives signals. That's not what I want you guys to be. I want you guys to come here, see how I trade, learn of it, take some parts of my trading, my VWAP system, my TPO system, how I use order flow, have question, risk management, etc. And then incorporate it to your trading style and start trading by yourself. Because the moment you will be very profitable and make money with trading is not when you will find the trader that makes all the trade and that will give you great setups. No, it's when you will be able to be like him and trade by yourself, and you won't even need to look at his trade or whatever. That's when you will be profitable. Personally, if anyone is longing or short, I don't give a fuck. I have my system, okay? Maybe I will find some conflicts sometimes with people, but that's it. Only a little conferences, but that won't change my bias. I mean, if I have a great setup that I think that is a great setup based on my system, and someone I think he's a good trader is taking the opposite trade, well, good luck, brother. May the best win its trade. That's it. So that's how you guys need to do. Hey, Amin, how are you? Hey, Lucky Boy, how are you, brother? I was referring to the lower party of the monthly VWAP band. I mixed up concepts, sorry. Ah, okay. Well, yeah, could be, but personally for me the levels with the most confluences are POCs, previous day POCs, previous week POCs, previous month POCs, and also the weekly VWAP, like the weekly VWAP that is resetted every Monday, not the 7 days rolling VWAP. The rolling VWAP that have the best confluences are like the 365 days rolling VWAP, and also the 30 days and 90 days. 7 days is good, but usually it's close to the weekly, so I prefer to play the weekly. You also have the daily rolling VWAP that is good. Let me add it here. I think, yeah, I have it here. How can I put it in favorites? Add to favorites, okay, rolling VWAP, and now let's add it here. Favorites. I think it's this one. No, it's not that one. Rolling VWAP. Yeah, it's that one. Okay, cool. And we can see, yeah, that the rolling VWAP, the daily rolling VWAP is above the price here. So that's the level to flip actually. And that also makes sense because we have previous day value here and daily value real low. And what you want to see is the price to get above this, above the value, to get back into today's value, okay, and maybe to expand and to go to these weeks. So that's what we want to play. Let's see if we can have it. I'm still long. Hi Christy, how are you? Hello gamer. This TPO system is very interesting. Thanks. I hope you guys love it. I like previous day val in conference with weekly open. Nice one. Let's see where is the weekly open. Weekly open. Ah, yeah, this one. Previous day value real low. Weekly open. Yeah, that's a nice conference also. Maybe we can get it also. But I don't. There is not like any other VWAP here. So I personally wouldn't play that. But yes, like sweep of the previous day value real low, weekly open, and back inside could be nice to play the value of yesterday and stay in the value. So yeah, that could be a nice one also. So let's see what we get, guys. Still in the long. And so yeah, what about doing the draw for the winner today? It's been only 40 minutes that we are streaming, but we can do it now. We are 15 viewers right now. By the way, thank you guys Now we are starting to get an average of like 30-40 viewers, so it's very cool. We are already 1k 70 followers on YouTube. Let's try to get 2k before end of the year. I think we can do it, and let's try to be 100 viewers in average before end of the year also, so that's going to be nice. Again guys, the giveaway, $100 to one of you guys. You need to follow the YouTube account, my YouTube channel. You need to like the stream, and you need to comment in the stream also. The winner will be picked in one of the winner. The price will be sent in your Lbank account. So if you don't have an Lbank account, you need to create an Lbank account. The link is in the description. No KYC required, and there is currently an event running with 20% deposit bonus, so up to 2k. So if you deposit 10k, you will get 2k in bonus, and also you guys can win a lot of prizes. If you do 3 million volume, you will win AirPod Pro, 5 million a Switch, 9 million the last iPhone, 12 million a MacBook Air, and if you do 100 million volume, you will get the Rolex. You will get a Rolex, and we will personally fly to you guys. That's going to be a YouTube video, so that's going to be nice. So if you do guys make volume, I recommend you guys to go here. And also, if you do make a lot of volume, send me a DM and I will be able to give you the VIP fees. So you won't pay any fees, or like very small fees. It's only for the big portfolios that trade with, let's say, more than 25, 50k USDT, and that can do the 100 million volume. And I will personally ask to my Lbank reference, the Lbank people I know, to give you guys the VIP fees that I also have and that I'm giving to my student that basically have the highest VIP tier. So yeah. How long did it take you for you to be profitable? Like 3 years, I think. To have a proven system that works. Yeah, 3 years, 3 years and a half. Because I think that I've always been good at trading, and I always had an edge against the others. Like, I don't know, I think I'm good at this. But at one point, as I didn't have a great psychology and a great risk management, at one point I was burning my account and I was being liquidated when we had like a crazy dump, okay? And so until I had too much liquidation and I had to get that flip, it was complicated. But whenever you get that shift in mindset and you get that shift in your risk management tactic, you really become profitable. And again guys, more important than your trading system is your risk management and your psychology. That's the most important, guys. So I hope you guys all subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave the like and commented. I see 27 likes. Okay, so there's 27 people that can win it. So we are going to launch the giveaway. So let's get to it. I have the link here. Let's see who will be the winner of today's stream. $100 to one of you guys. And yeah, how long did it take? No, MacBook for how many? The MacBook, you get it for 12 million volume. 12 million volume. So yeah. So guys, let's do it. Let's do. Oh shit, I need to connect. Sorry, connecting to my account. Up. Am I connected? Okay, yeah. Find comments. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I just need to connect. And there we go. No need to spam, guys, because the people that are commenting twice, like, we are excluding double comments, so no need to come to spam it. So let's see, guys. Today we have the winner. I think that for today, if we again have someone that won, we are going to give it to someone else, because I see a lot of new names. So if that's someone that already won, we are going to do again the draw, and it's Ash Crypto. Ash Crypto, bro, you already won. You already won. So sorry, you cannot win today. That's crazy. That honestly, guys, that's like the third time that someone already won and is winning. I don't give it. I don't get it. So let's try again. Let's try again. Because like honestly, you guys can see here that the parameters, like, there's nothing. Like, I mean, yeah. So yeah, sorry Ash, I called it before, okay, that if someone already won it, we give it to a new one. You will be able to win in the next one, okay, if you win, but today we give it to a new one. So let's see again. Let's do it. Let's see. But if it's again someone that wins, we are going to change it. Well, he's not. Are you here, Ash? So who is the winner? Bro, he already won. He already won. Okay, let's try something. Let's try something. Again, up. Let's put one winner. Exclude this. And let's go for that. Okay. Bro, honestly, this is crazy. I don't know why it's like that. Gamer Boy. Okay, there we go. There we have a new winner. There we have a new winner. Congratulations, Gamer Boy. Congratulations. What do you mean per week per winner? What do you mean per week per winner? Yeah, bro, that's crazy. But I think I'm going to change. If you guys have any other like way to do a draw, could be nice, because it's weird. Like, I think there might be something. Because like it's the first time that someone that already won, and there's like 50 people in the stream, so that's not possible in terms of probability. Sorry, Lucky Boy Gaming, that was the rules. That was the rules. You will be able to win in the next streams if you again have the draw, but today I wanted to give it to someone new that never won. I think that's fair. So yeah. So Gamer Boy, congratulations. Send me a DM on X, okay? Send me a DM on X. And now, oh, we're dumping back. Shit. So let's see if we can hold here. How is it looking regarding this? Gamer Boy, send me a DM on X with your Lbank UID again. Guys, if you guys want to win time for the next streams, the Lbank link is in the description. There is a 20% deposit bonus, okay? So that's very huge. No KYC required, and you guys can win a Rolex and all those prizes. Okay, you can win AirPod Pro, Switch, iPhone, MacBook, up to a Rolex, depending on your trading volume. No KYC required, low fees. You can trade all the trading pairs. You can even trade stocks and gold, so that's pretty good. Yeah, next week this reset, Lucky Boy. So sorry, today you were too much lucky, but hopefully next week you will be again lucky. So let's see. But yeah, sorry, like I cannot like do it again. We have to get a new winner. I think I hope you understand this. So yeah, why is my battery running out of battery? Sorry, I'm connecting this up. There we go. Up. So let's see. I'm just $20 away from having my account funded. Oh, nice, Axolo. Congratulations. And how much, like, a funded account of how much? I showed the high, hope to break through the weak VWAP. Yeah. If you are short, basically what you want to see is a breakdown of the weekly VWAP. Simply. So let's see how we get it. So again today, guys, I did the giveaway a bit early because I will have to go. Okay. And again, yesterday I took a day off. Sorry, I spent time with my grandmother because she needed to. So I spent time with her. And today I have a lot of things to do. So this stream, I have the day 6 of the trading bootcamp with my mentorship students. So today we are going to go through a lot of new indicators before going into order flow. And after that, I will have to record a YouTube video, and I will have to also work on my personal projects. So I have a lot of things to do today. So I'm going to end the stream soon. Let's wait maybe a little bit, like 15 minutes more. So yeah, I'm at 5k5. Nice. Okay, that's already good, bro. You start with a 5k funded account, then you get your first payout. If you get 1%, that's 500 bucks. With your 500 bucks, you can buy a 50k account or like multiple 25k accounts. You get your payout, and then you go into the 200k account, bro. You're going to get it. For sure. I believe in you, brother. Which is more time frame? What? Okay, that's not English, but let's try to understand. Which is more time frame is more? Okay. Which time frame is more significant, brother? Which time frame is more significant for holding daily VWAP or POC on a 4-hour calling close or a 15-minute close? So daily VWAP more in 15 minutes because that's very low time frame. POC, I would say 1 hour to 4 hours. So yeah. Can we go 95k ASAP? Honestly, I would love to. I would love to. And guys, again, that's my plan. That is my plan. I think we have some chop. We either just go like this and then bounce. But I do think we can have some chop this weekend. Top here. Then we go back here. And then we go for higher. Or maybe more time. But that's what I think. I think that the market will be choppy like here, okay? See, taking a lot of time. Slow chop. And people going with high ledge getting wrecked, okay? Like slow chop. And then we boom, explode. The markets is always killing people that are not passionate enough. You need to be passionate enough. Is the 200 giveaway for the other video done, bro? No, brother. The 200 giveaway, also guys, if you guys want to have another giveaway, you can go on YouTube after the stream. You go to my last YouTube video, okay, my vlog here, my vlog in Singapore, and I will pick two winners in the comments. You need to follow the channel and comment and like the video and comment also the video, and I will pick 2 winners of $100 in this video. The draw will be Sunday night on X, okay? I will announce the winners on X, so make sure to comment. Great stream, bro. Thanks a lot, Crypto Minute Run. Thanks, brother. We need to close above 108 8k 4 weekly to be bullish. What do you mean? On the weekly? Nah. On the weekly, higher for me. On the weekly, we need to close above 110k H100 to be bullish. The 21 EMA is the level to reclaim, in my opinion. See here, we stayed under the weekly VWAP, weekly 21 EMA. We flipped it, boom. That's what you want to see. Same thing here. Well, here we had some chop actually, but could be this chop. But based on the cycle, you can see that when we stay above the 21, here we flipped it. Or maybe we can have something like this. Flip above, little retest. But most of the time when we lose it and we reclaim it, we go for higher, okay? We have a bounce. Here, same, okay? Massive weak, closed under, boom. Up, boom. Here, flipped it, boom. Flipped it, boom. Here, holding. Now maybe we can hold it. So let's see. That is a very, very, very important level. Let's see Ethereum. How is Ethereum looking? Looking like shit still. Yeah, kinda. Well, actually, Ethereum, we are still above this POC. And we are still above this POC. And we are still holding these levels. So as long as we hold that, why not having a scam pump to Monday high? And even maybe to these, okay? Could be a play. That could be a play. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, that could be something we can play. Let me refresh this. Let's see my Ethereum layout, if it can charge. Again, congratulations Gamer Boy for the win. Thanks, Rappa. So can it load? By the way, is the quality of the stream good or no? Because I'm uploading 2 videos on YouTube right now. That's for my mentorship students. That's private video. So it's taking a lot of data. And I also have my my PS5 open, so that also takes some data. So yeah, now let's see if this plays out. We didn't put a lot of music today. Did it load? Okay, cool. So Ethereum, that's what I wanted to see, guys. Ethereum, here, what do I have to play with? So regarding the PSCs, we are still in last week value, okay? So we can go up to here in my opinion, as long as we stay here, holding above previous week PSC. That could be a nice play to these levels, okay? Some shit like that, holding here, going maybe to the value here. We have some weeks here, but yeah, maybe we stay also within this value, but 4k, like 4k 500 seems a bit high to me, so maybe not that high. So yeah, I would say we can play that on Ether maybe for this week, like a scam on holding above these POCs and going for higher. So on the charts, that will look like this. That would look like this. What's the price of that? Yeah, 4k 135. Yeah, so like that's to the 30 days rolling view up. Like that will be like something like this. That will be something like this on Ethereum. Why not? Why not, honestly? But again, we really need BTC to hold here, okay? If BTC can do that, we can have it. If BTC can do that, we can have it, but basically that will mean that we need something like that, okay? That will mean that we need something like this. Even maybe that, okay? But for me, yeah, at least this, like a push to like this level. Why not? Why not? The long we took was literally here, so yeah, on BTC you can play some shit like that, okay? Like a tourist crowd with stops above Monday low, simple, just playing continuation again. That's why we want to play on BTC. And if we want to add the other things, we literally showed it here, okay? We had our stops here and we closed most of the profits at here where we long. That was a pretty good one, honestly. So can we end the week with such perfect trades? Let's see. Honestly, I could even maybe say that we could play some shit like that with wider stops here and literally targeting this level, or even there, guys. Like that could be a nice one. 102k, some shit like that. Like even a 3 squad reward, guys, that will be like a fucking great swing. That could be something nice, honestly. Let's see if we can have it. Are you only using your laptop screen? No, brother. If I look at my laptop screen, I'm looking at here. This is where I have my comments. Here I have 3 screens. 2 for trading and 1 for trading also, or for my PlayStation 5 if I want to have some Rocket League in background to not be bored when I trade. So yeah, that's all I got, brother. You don't necessarily need to have like a lot of trading screens when you trade. It's just that personally I prefer to have that. I don't know, feel like but I prefer simple. So let's see. So far we've got a great entry, huh? Now let's see if we can flip that. This still looks kind of heavy, okay? We are kind of compressing between the daily VWAP and the weekly VWAP. Open interest, we had the longs closing here, okay? Not a lot of longs chasing. We still have lots of shorts here. So that could be a nice level to bounce, but again, I'm repeating myself again, but the level you want to see be flipped is 111Ks, 111Ks, 700. These levels, monthly POC, previous monthly POC, these are levels you want to see being flipped, okay? These levels, you want to see them being flipped. So let's see if we can have it. Same on Ethereum. Currently retesting the weekly VWAP. Now losing it, okay? We're under the weekly VWAP on Ethereum. Order book depth ratio increasing. So let's see, you want to see this holding also, even though we are currently at previous POC, previous week POC, current week POC, and the week of the 10th October POC also is about here, but it's under the price. So that's a nice level. So let's see if we can hold, and let's see if the price can make it. So yeah, show us your setup. No, I won't. I can't turn the camera right now, guys. If it's on this, I can try to move the screen up to here. No, I can't. No, I cannot. Maybe I can do this. Here you can see I have one screen here. I cannot. Oh shit. So yeah, but I cannot really move it because it's sitting on something. It doesn't. Okay, cool. So yeah. But what about maybe a video when I will go back to my house in Dubai to show you my setup, my big trading setup with everything? That could be a nice video also. I think that can make some views also, so why not doing it? So yeah. So guys, that will be it for today's stream. So basically, to recap, that's the trade we took today. Okay, here. Reasoning behind it, we had short chasing, we had also the CVD spot futures dumping as fuck into previous day POC, weekly VWAP, 7 days rolling VWAP a bit lower, okay? More importantly, we also have a confluence, cross asset confluence with Ethereum also at support levels, so that can be a confluence that the market might want to bounce, okay? Maybe not BTC, but for Ethereum that is also looking good. We kind of are holding the 200 EMA for now, so compressing between 2150 EMA and 21 EMA. For me, the biggest resistance in the daily is always the 50 EMA, so we didn't touch it here, we rejected 21, but this can easily go to the 50 EMA at 113Ks. So that's the level I'm aiming. And also, if we look at the order book, we can see here at the footprint, we can see here that on the lows we had a lot of shorts chasing the price right here. So market probably wants to punish them. So that's it. We also have a single print left here, and we can see on the daily that we don't have any more single prints under the price. The other single prints days are higher, so market might want to fill them also. So that is the reasoning behind. In the challenge, the 10K to 100 challenge, we are currently in profit of 1K, okay? We're at 11K, and in today's trade, I'm risking 1K in this trade. So if we do go to the take profit, which will be at 114Ks, we make 2K. That could be nice, okay? That could be nice. So let's see if we can have it. And when I will place my stop loss entry, I will explain you guys later. But for me, if we do reclaim that, the daily rolling VWAP, this is where I trail my stops entry, because you don't want the price to go back inside previous day value and outside daily value. Whenever we reclaim we reclaim daily value low and we break out above previous day value real high that are literally at the same level with the daily rolling VWAP, you don't want the price to go back down. So you put your stops entry at this moment. If not, we leave the price. It can go a bit lower. We test 7 days rolling VWAP. The stop loss is wide, so there's no problem. But if we do reclaim that, I want the price to go fast and break out into Friday close or even into the weekend. So let's see. So I hope it was clear. Thanks again, guys, for being here. See you guys next Monday for the next stream and the next $100 winner. And again, guys, the money is sent to your Lbank account. So if you don't have any Lbank account, make sure to use the link in the description. 20% deposit bonus, and you guys can win all those prizes: a Rolex, a MacBook, an iPhone 17, Switch, a Nintendo Switch, and AirPod Pro. Okay, so make sure to use the link in the description, and see you guys in the next stream, and also in tonight or yesterday's video. Oh, the price is bouncing. It doesn't want to let us go outside, guys. But I will have to go. But yeah, so far right now could be an interesting level to try your stops entry. I will put a price alarm here if you retest it. But yeah, this is starting to look good. So thanks again, guys, for the video, for being here. Okay, we went up to 50 viewers when we did the giveaway. We lost 20 people that are only here for my money. I'm joking. So yeah, have a good one, guys. We are currently reintegrating daily value and breaking out above yesterday's value. So that's the level you want to see holding and keeping expanding. So have a good one. If we do coat the fucking bottom, because we did live trade, guys, huh? Like, the entry cannot be better. So stops entry now. Have a good one. That was a win stream today. Kele Gyogucha, sorry for the name, is right. Win stream today, winning stream. So have a good one. Bye bye. See you Monday.